Hey everyone, here are 8 super quick life hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Let's get right into it. Out of phone stand, flip your sunglasses upside down and slide your phone between the arms. Instant hands-free screen. Chill a warm drink fast by wrapping it in a wet paper towel and tossing it in the freezer. Ice cold in 15 minutes. Peeling garlic? Microwave a whole bulb for 15 seconds. The skins come off like magic. Label your power cords with bread tabs. No more guessing which one's the router. Turn old cereal boxes into drawer organizers. Cut, decorate, and sort your stuff with zero cost. Lost an earring? Stretch a stocking over a vacuum hose. It'll catch the earring without sucking it up. Roll your clothes when packing, not fold. You'll save space and avoid wrinkles. Clean between keyboard keys with a sticky note. The edge picks up all the hidden gunk.
Which hack was your favorite? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and follow for more quick tips.